Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to fix this problem. This tutorial will work in any Adobe software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator. Let's get started. In Windows search box, search for Windows Defender. Then you will see Advanced Setting. Click on Advanced Settings. Then you will see in left side Inbound Rules. Click on Inbound Rules. Then you will see in your right side New Rules. Click on New Rules. Then you have to select Programs. Select Programs, then Next, and then Browse Program. Make sure that you are following the location which I mentioned in the box. Then you have to go with your software which is not working for you. In my case, I will go with Photoshop. Click on Open. Then you have to scroll little bit. Then again click on Photoshop. Then Open. Then Next. Then you have to click on Block the connection. Then Next. Then again click on Next. Then name anything you want like Photoshop 2.0, Photoshop New. Then you have to click on Finish. After this you have to repeat the process, but in this time you have to click on Outbound Rule, then New Rule, Next, and then Next. You have to select Photoshop, same process, and Next, 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 Next. Then rename this file also. Name anything you want. Photoshop New 2. Then Finish. Then after this you have to close all this and let's try to open Photoshop. It's opening. Here we go. Now create new. It's working now. Make sure that you will subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.